Hello learners, welcome to this another session of Certificate in Fashion Design program, that is CFDE. Today's topic for discussion is handling care practice of sewing machine. So this is practical activity of this particular program of this course of this CFD program, course 2, that is basics of pattern making and sewing. So today we will be talking about handling, care and practice of sewing machine, and this is the activity 7 and 8 of this particular course. So let us discuss what all points we will be covering today in this session. We will be discussing sewing machine and its safety precautions, what all we have to take when we are using the sewing machine. We will discuss setting up and taking care of sewing machine, what all care we have to take of our sewing machine when we are using it, how to handle the sewing machine, what are all the steps, what are all the instruction we should follow while we are using the machine, and how we will adjust the thread tension and how the threads will be inserted in the machine, and how we will adjust the tension and everything of the machine. So first we will discuss about the activity 7, which is titled as practice on threading, oiling, handling and care of sewing machine. So when we talk about the practice and handling of sewing machine and how we will practice and what all care we have to take about the sewing machine. So first of all, why this activity is important and why you should do this activity, why you should practice on this activity, and what all things you will learn from this particular thing. So first of all, you will observe various safety precautions for the use of sewing machine. What all safety precautions, because machine, it is something which we should handle with lots of care. So what all safety precautions are given and what you should follow while you are using the sewing machine. Then set up and use a single needle lock stitch machine properly. There are different types of sewing machines, so we will discuss about the basic what we use at the domestic purpose, like if we are using it at our home, or if we are using as a beginner, we use the single needle lock stitch machine, which is the basic. If we all see at our home, or generally we see, that is single needle lock stitch machine. So how we will set up that machine, from where we will put the thread, how we will adjust the thread on the needle and how on the machine. So all set up and how we will use the single needle lock stitch machine properly. Then you can know and you will be aware of threading on the machine, how you will put the thread and how to take care of the machine, what all information it is given, and according to that information you will take care of the machine. So what first most important thing what you will requiring while doing this activity, first and the most important thing you need is the single needle lock stitch machine. Then you need a machine needle. So needles we have also discussed in our earlier sessions, it is of different types, and for the machine, the needles which we use for the hand stitching or the hand sewing purpose, it is very different, and the needles which is used for the machine stitching, it is something different. So we need a single needle lock stitch machine, then we need a machine needles, we need different types of sewing threads and machine oil. So all these 4 things we required while we are going to practice stitching, or we are going to handle the sewing machine. Then this is the picture how the sewing machine look like. We all have seen in our home or somewhere else, we have seen this machine. So first of all we will discuss the handling of sewing machine, what all cares and process we have to follow while